Let's go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. They're not shooting at you, keep going. Come on, man. Keep going straight, come in. Oh shit, we're already at the flag. Alright, we got one flag right over here, but we're gonna try to hold it down. One flag, alright? You get that side, I'm gonna get the other side, okay? We got one flag right here. No, I'm telling you, we got this flag. If you can, try to go up more. Alright? Do you see anybody? Yo, guys, in the trenches right over here. Dave, be careful trying to come over here. There's a guy right over here on the side where I'm pointing at. Yeah, I see one. Shoot him. Dave, try to move up if you can to us right now. We're gonna need help. Where?
He's straight ahead. You should see his face.
Yeah, come to the trenches. We got. We need someone to watch your back.
I'm not trying to run bro.
Right now, you're the one with the longest range right now.
I know. My shit is fogging up, bro.
Alright, switch, come on.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Oh my god, he's not gonna call. I hit him. He's not. Yeah, I know, we're trying to get him right now. We got him. No, I'm not saying go, I'm saying watch it.
Hold on, bro, come on.
Yeah, tell him I'm shooting at him right now. You heard? Tell him I'm shooting at him. Hit!
Hit!
They're fucking eating it. I'm shooting at that fucking dude.
Get up over here, right side.
Bruh, I'm shooting at that freaking dude. He's not calling his hit.
That dude I saw, right? I called out. The dude I called out. That was all the way in the back.
Yeah, both of them, bro. He's not paying. He wasn't paying attention to me. He shot him, and then he ducked, and then next thing you know, he's still shooting at me. He went back, moved to the left to the side, and then gonna go right back in. Like, bro, stop playing that shit. All right, Dave, you and the last guy are the last two people right now at that trench covering green flag. Yeah, we're coming in right now. I'm right behind you. Oh, hit. Right in the face. Yeah, you have a sniper right by you, bro. Be careful, because they already hit me.
Yeah, I hit you.
Yeah, bro. Saw me right in the face.
Oh, shit, I can't breathe on that, bro. Alright, I loosened up the goggles, bro. So it won't fall off.
Alright, to get there, we're going to have to run. Alright?
Yeah, hold on.
Put your earpiece in. Yeah. These guys are not calling their hits right now.
Yeah, I know.
I got it on live and on the camera. I'm shooting them both.
Yeah. A lot of guys like to post them later and make, point it out.
Freaking shot two of them, yo. One dude shot him, and all I see him go like this, and then lays down, and then goes shooting right back at me.
Yeah.
Then the other guy, he's not even paying attention. I'm just shooting at him, and then next thing you know, he feels he got hit.
Yeah.
Turns at me, and then starts shooting at me.
Yeah, there's a guy. He didn't.
No, both of the guys in the
trenches. He didn't want
trenches.
to call it till he saw me looking right. He wanted to see where it came from first. But yeah,
It's the guys in the trenches right now.
You'll get there.
Y'all goggles fogged up?
Like,
That's
yeah.
a normal thing, dude.
Oh,
God.
yeah. It is.
That's so annoying.
It is.
Well, we got two guys in the trenches right now. We need help to at least try to get there and push them out.
Where? This one's over here?
Yeah. Two guys there, like in the back. We got one dude holding it down at the flag, and my other boy, he's over there making sure.
Alright, so what I'm thinking is there's an actual extra route that all the way around.
Yeah, but we got to make sure that sniper, because he just pegged me when I was going through it.
So we get diversion. Get two guys going this way, two guys going around.
All right.
Want to do that?
Yeah.
All right.
You
Who's
wanna
fast?
run, son?
You want to do it since you got the speed for it?
Alright, so go straight there.
Yeah.
You can get the sniper.
Fuck, they got the green flag right now. Try to. Wait, hold on.
Oh, what the fuck? They shooting from over here?
Call me. Try to radio him right now, because I can't find my mic. All right, there we go. Yo, try to shoot him off the. Try to shoot him off of it. Oh, great. That's the only guy left that we had in the trench.
You do? Damn.
I'm in thorns now.
You see him or no?
No, I didn't see him.
He's poking up right there. He's jumping.
Did you get him? Oh, you know he's walking off. Yeah, we got people moving up right here. Right in front. Our teammates probably. Yo, Dave, come here. Where you guys are at? Push up. Ooh. I'm in the trenches, right behind the trenches right now. They're pushing me slowly.